Hey guys, hello. I'm back again with another voiceover. I'm sorry if you guys really don't like voiceovers and is tired of me doing them, but they're just so easy and I can get a video out quicker and it's just easy for me to if I since I'm doing daily videos until Halloween now since yesterday, it's just easier for me to do a voiceover and it's really easy and quick for me to get it up. But yeah, so you guys saw me put a couple colors in my crease already. And yeah, we're just gonna be doing a really blown out purple half cut crease. It's gonna be really smoky. It's gonna look real cute or whatever. So yeah. And then I'm about to take the Dominique latte palette and the purple in the palette, that purple right there, and I am going to put that on the outer part of the eye and crease also and really blow it out. But now I'm taking the Tarte Tastiest Pro palette, the black shade, and I'm putting that on really back there on the back part, you know. Yeah, and then I did do cut my crease. The concealer that I use will be down below for you guys, and I just set it with translucent powder. I actually set it with the white color in the Tarte Tastiest Pro palette, the white shade. I just set it with that, and then on the bottom lash line I'm really blowing it out like the lid and taking the same exact colors that I took on the lid and just really blow it out. You could see it's really blown out. Now I really wanted to do something that I haven't done yet, because I've been doing quote unquote scary makeup looks and I haven't done a really cute really pretty one yet, and this is if you don't like scary stuff and you like to be really cute on Halloween, really pretty and everything, I really recommend wearing this look because it is so gorgeous. I love it. It's so pretty. And then the inner corner, I just took the white from the Tarte Pro palette and I just put it on the inner corner, and then I'm taking all the colors that I took on the bottom lash line and the crease and putting it on my collarbones. I'm not going defining it, I'm going right on top of them just to make them pop a little bit more. And I'm just going to be doing that with the other colors that I took just to make them look like they're out more and just to make them pop, like I said. And then I'm also going to do the same exact thing. Later on you're going to see the next clip, I believe. You're going to see me take all those colors and put it on my neck. And I'm just going to blend down with it. And also, I take a little bit on my shoulders also because I felt like I needed something on them. I was going to do glitter on my chest, but then I was like, that's going to stay with me for a year, so let's not do glitter. Yeah, let's not do that. But yeah, I really love how I did the chest and everything and the neck. I feel like it brings everything together. And then I got these metal leaf little flakes things, and they're for wood, frames and stuff, wood frames, but we're gonna use it for something else and not for wood. We're gonna put it on my neck. Well, I'm gonna put it on my neck, my chest, my forehead, my inner corner of my eyes, just basically everywhere. Now I was just applying them, just sticking them on, but they wouldn't stay there. They kept falling off, so I just took all of them off on my neck and I took lash glue and then I just let that dry for a second and then plopped them on, and that worked so much better. And just a little bit. You don't need a lot of lash glue because it was like staying on, and I was just like kept this makeup look on for like maybe an hour after I like filmed it, and every single piece of the gold leaves stayed on. And then I plopped on this lippy because as you guys could tell, I did my forehead and my inner corner off camera. I actually you know, I thought my camera was recording, but it was actually dead the whole time, so that was nice. And then I just plopped on these butterflies that I got from A.C Moore, and they're perfect, I think, for this look. They're like clip-ons, and then I just put half up, half down for my hair, and I was gonna curl it, but I was like, your girl was tired, your girl was hungry, it was 2:30, like, girl, yeah, no. And yeah, so I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a like, and also comment down below what you guys want to see tomorrow, because obviously since if you guys seen last video, I said that I'm going to be posting every day until Halloween. And yeah, so I don't think there's anything else to tell you guys, but I love you guys, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!